Have you ever wondered if a simple kitchen spice could transform your health? What if I told you that something as tiny as a clove, when infused in water, could work wonders for your body? You see, clove water isn't just an old grandmother's remedy, it's a hidden gem in the world of natural health. From boosting your digestion to giving your skin a youthful glow, clove water has the potential to change your health in ways you never imagined. But here's the shocking part: most people are using it the wrong way. In today's video, I'm going to reveal the 12 incredible benefits of drinking clove water daily, and by the end, you'll never look at this tiny spice the same way again. Make sure you stay until the last benefit because it's a game changer. Did you know that many celebrities and wellness experts secretly rely on clove water for their flawless skin and energy? While they spend thousands on skincare and detox treatments, they also drink this simple homemade remedy every day. Why? Because clove water is packed with antioxidants, antibacterial properties, and powerful compounds that rejuvenate the body from the inside out. And the best part? It costs almost nothing. Benefit 1: Clove water supercharges your digestion. Let's start with one of the most noticeable benefits: digestion. If you often feel bloated, suffer from indigestion, or experience discomfort after meals, clove water might be your perfect solution. Cloves contain a compound called eugenol, which has been proven to stimulate digestive enzymes, making food breakdown easier and more efficient. When you drink clove water first thing in the morning, it prepares your stomach to digest food properly throughout the day. Imagine waking up, drinking a glass of clove-infused water, and feeling light, energetic, and free from digestive issues. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the real kicker: clove water also reduces acidity and heartburn. If you struggle with acid reflux, you know how painful it can be. Instead of relying on antacids, try drinking clove water regularly, and you'll start noticing a huge improvement in your digestion. Everyone is obsessed with anti-aging creams, Botox, and expensive skincare routines. But what if the real secret to youthful skin was sitting in your kitchen right now? Stay with me, because what I'm about to share will shock you. Benefit 2: Clove water makes your skin glow. Your skin reflects your internal health. If your body is full of toxins and inflammation, it will show on your face in the form of acne, dullness, and premature aging. That's where clove water comes in. Cloves are loaded with antioxidants that fight free radicals, the #1 cause of aging. These antioxidants help your skin regenerate faster, reducing wrinkles, fine lines, and dark spots. But that's not all: clove water also fights acne. Thanks to its antibacterial properties, it kills acne-causing bacteria, reduces inflammation, and helps you achieve clear, blemish-free skin. If you're tired of trying expensive skincare products that don't work, give clove water a try for a few weeks and watch your skin transform. Do you wake up in the morning feeling exhausted, even after a full night's sleep? Do you struggle with fatigue, brain fog, and low energy throughout the day? Well, the answer might be simpler than you think. Benefit 3: Clove water gives you a natural energy boost. Forget energy drinks, coffee, and sugary sodas. Clove water is a natural stimulant that keeps you alert and full of energy all day long. The secret? Cloves improve blood circulation, ensuring that oxygen and essential nutrients reach your brain and muscles efficiently. When you start your day with clove water, you feel awake, focused, and ready to take on anything. And here's another bonus: clove water helps reduce stress and anxiety. If you often feel overwhelmed or anxious, drinking clove water can help calm your nerves and improve your mood naturally. Benefit 4: Clove water strengthens your immune system. Did you know that cloves have been used for centuries to fight infections and diseases? That's because they contain powerful antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties that protect your body from harmful pathogens. Drinking clove water regularly boosts your immune system, making you less prone to colds, flu, and other illnesses. And get this: clove water even helps with respiratory problems. If you suffer from frequent coughs, congestion, or asthma, the anti-inflammatory properties of cloves can help open up your airways, making it easier to breathe. Imagine flushing out harmful toxins from your body without spending money on expensive detox programs. Sounds too good to be true? Keep watching. Benefit 5: Clove water cleanses your liver. Your liver is responsible for detoxifying your body, but in today's world, it's constantly overloaded with junk food, alcohol, and toxins from processed foods. Clove water supports liver function by helping eliminate harmful toxins, reducing inflammation, and preventing fatty liver disease. Regular consumption of clove water can significantly improve liver health, boost metabolism, and help you feel lighter and more energetic. Benefit 6. Clove water balances blood sugar levels. For those struggling with high blood sugar or diabetes, clove water can be a game changer. Cloves help regulate insulin production, ensuring that your blood sugar levels stay stable throughout the day. This prevents sudden energy crashes, sugar cravings, and long-term complications related to diabetes. If you have a family history of diabetes or want to maintain a healthy metabolism, adding clove water to your routine is a smart move. Most toothpaste companies won't tell you this, but cloves have been used for centuries to maintain oral health. Let's find out why. Benefit 7. Clove water improves oral health. Clove oil is often used in dentistry because of its natural pain-relieving and antibacterial properties. Drinking clove water can reduce bad breath, fight cavities, and strengthen your gums. If you suffer from gum disease, toothaches, or mouth infections, clove water can provide natural relief and protect your teeth in the long run. Benefit 8. Clove water supports weight loss. Did you know that cloves boost metabolism? If you're trying to lose weight, drinking clove water can help your body burn fat faster. It also reduces cravings and suppresses appetite, making it easier to stick to a healthy diet. Benefit 9. Clove water reduces joint pain. If you suffer from arthritis or joint pain, clove water can be your natural painkiller. It has anti-inflammatory properties that reduce swelling and discomfort in your joints. Clove water is one of the simplest yet most powerful remedies you can add to your daily routine. By now, you can see why clove water is an absolute health powerhouse. From boosting digestion and strengthening immunity to improving skin and reducing pain, this simple drink does it all. The best part? It's natural, affordable, and incredibly easy to make. So, are you ready to try clove water and experience these amazing benefits for yourself? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.